Hello guys, I'm here today to talk about the Jojoba company. This is one of my favorite brands for a number of reasons. Now, I love to support Australian brands as well as purchase products that are made from quality vegan ingredients. And the Jojoba company have just launched a brand new product, and here it is. It is called the Daily Glow Exfoliating PHA Tonic. If you are someone like me that has sensitive skin but is still looking for a radiance enhancing glow and are maybe a little bit afraid to use a harsher chemical exfoliant like an AHA or a BHA, or are just too simply scared to try, then this PHA tonic could be a perfect option for you. The formula has 6% PHAs, which are polyhydroxy acids. These are larger in molecular size, which means that they penetrate the skin more slowly and less deeply, which cause less irritation for those people like myself that have more sensitive skin. Inside this beautiful formula, there are also some other ingredients like hibiscus, finger lime, niacinamide, which is one of my favorite ingredients, as well as jojoba leaf extract. And these ingredients combined will provide you with a stronger skin barrier, unclog your pores, reduce your skin dullness, brighten and make your skin more radiant, as well as locking in your skin's moisture. It is a beautiful lightweight formula, and what I do is I use this in the morning. So I will put around 3 to 5 drops just on my fingertips. On cleansed skin, I will pat my face, pat my neck, and then it absorbs super quickly. So I will just follow with my serum, my moisturizer, and of course my sunscreen. And then I can go about my day. It is so lightweight. It is so beautiful. I am loving the radiant glow it is providing me. So if you are someone who is also looking for a smoother, healthier, brighter complexion, I highly recommend the Jojoba Company's Daily Glow Exfoliating PHA Tonic. See you guys.